Welcome back to Outdoor Family Travel Reviews. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be looking at the Family Harbor Lounge, which is near the Family Harbor Suites, which can only be accessed for people staying in the Family Harbor Suites. Over here on the right hand side you have two consoles for video games. In this fridge here you've got fat-free 1% chocolate milk and yogurt 24 hours. Ice and water machine, coffee and hot chocolate machine, and your very own ice cream machine. There is a buffet here in the middle, but it is not a full-time buffet all of the time. It is a full buffet during breakfast, and then there is a lunch hour from 3 to 5 where they have snacks, cakes, and like sandwiches. And then in the evening from 7 to 9 they have cookies. On either side of the buffet there are lounge areas with couches and chairs. They have card and board games to play, TVs to watch, and lots of space for younger kids to run around and play. This is a great area for families and kids to feel safe and have a place to get out of the stroller for a while. There's another lounge set over here on the other side. This is what the full breakfast buffet looks like. As I mentioned before, they do not have a buffet running in here all day. They do have full breakfast, and then they have snacks and sandwiches from 3 to 5, and then from 7 to 9 they have cookies sitting out. And then you always have available the hot chocolate, the ice cream machine, the coffee machine, and the ice and water. Oh, and the other thing that's always stocked is the fridge with the milk, chocolate milk, plain milk, and yogurt. This is what the afternoon snack buffet consists of, just a few different kinds of cake, and it's pretty much the same every time, though they may change the types of sandwiches that they have. And cookies in the evening? It's literally just cookies.